Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The Ford Expedition is a full-size SUV manufactured by Ford, known for its spacious interior, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Here's a comprehensive overview. Ford Expedition Overview. Manufacturer, Ford Motor Company. First introduced, 1997. Vehicle class, full-size SUV. Body style, 5-door SUV. Seating capacity, up to 8 passengers. Drivetrain options, rear-wheel drive, RWD, or four-wheel drive, 4WD. Latest model, 2024 Ford Expedition. Engine and performance. Standard engine, 3.5L EcoBoost V6. Output, base model, 380 horsepower/470 lb-ft torque. Limited/Timberline, 400 horsepower/480 lb-ft torque. Platinum, 440 horsepower/510 lb-ft torque. Transmission, 10-speed automatic. Towing capacity, up to 9,300 pounds, with heavy-duty trailer tow package. Trim levels. 1. XL-STX, base model with essential feature. 2. XLT, adds more comfort and convenience feature. 3. Limited, more luxury features and tech upgrades. 4. Timberline, off-road focused trim with higher ground clearance. 5. King Ranch, premium styling with Western-themed design. 6. Platinum, top-tier luxury with advanced technology. Interior and technology. Infotainment, 12-inch touchscreen, standard, /15.5-inch touchscreen, platinum. Sync 4 system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, available. Seating, cloth, base, to leather, higher trims. Power adjustable front seats. Available heated and ventilated seats. Cargo space, standard Expedition, 20.9 CUFT behind third row. Expedition Max, longer version 36 CUFT behind third row. Safety and driver assistance. Ford Co-Pilot 360 Suite, standard. Automatic emergency braking. Lane keeping assist. Blind spot monitoring. Adaptive cruise control, higher trims. 360-degree camera system, available. Fuel economy, EPA estimated. RWD, 17 mpg city/23 mpg highway. 4WD, 16 mpg city/22 mpg highway. Pricing, estimated. Base XL-STX, $55,000. XLT, $60,000. Limited, $68,000. Timberline, $72,000. King Ranch, $77,000. Platinum, $81,000 plus. Key competitors. Chevrolet Tahoe/Suburban. GMC Yukon/Yukon XL. Toyota Sequoia. Jeep Wagoneer. Would you like details on a specific model year or features? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.